Welcome back, everyone. I'm Zell, and today we're looking at the stuff inside these boxes. But first, a story. You see, I was needing some gifts, and I needed them quick. So that kind of negated going through and paying all the extra shipping from Knife Center or Blade HQ or Smoky Mountain. Even though I'm sure those guys would have hooked me up. It was middle of the night. Whenever I realized I needed them, of course. And I was like, well, let's go through Amazon. Let's see if we can find something. And I stumbled across these. And yeah, I know you've been able to get We and Civivi knives for a long time off of Amazon. Third-party sellers have been selling on Amazon probably since We came about. But these came direct from We, fulfilled by Amazon. So that means you get prime shipping and you're buying it from the manufacturer, maintaining any warranty, no questions about that, and no questions about legitimacy of the knife. It's kind of like the Tangram series from Kaiser. And what we're going to find out today is, has We done as good a job packaging their stuff as Tangram has with that Tangram series? Because I believe it's the Tangram series that I've unboxed a couple of, and it was like, wow, that's really, really good. I don't think we're going to get quite the same experience here, but we're going to find out. And first off, before we dig into them, if you are looking for We or Civivi knives on Amazon, then be sure and look for that right there, because that is telling you that they are coming directly from We Knife Company Limited, and you don't want to take a chance on buying from some third-party seller that's just some random guy that ended up with a few from a distributor or however they got them. You want to make sure you get them directly from We, and We selling them at MAP pricing, so that's if you see somebody selling them a couple of bucks cheaper, they are not playing by the rules. And you really, okay, so you save a couple of bucks, but do you really want to support that? I don't know. That's up to you. Let's look inside and see what has changed. First off, we have, get to turn that around where you can read it, Civivi and Instagram, Civivi.com and their Instagram. The other side, we've got WeKnife.com and WeKnife's Instagram. Then, of course, we've got barcode, made better, nothing on the ends. And then, as you've seen for the past minute or so, We Knife and Civivi on top. So now, let's see what happens whenever we open this thing up. Use good old buck 110 to open it up. There we go. Well, that's a surprise. Really wasn't expecting that. I was expecting to open up this box and just have the zip case in here. But instead, inside the big cardboard box, which was shipped in a bubble mailer, and that's probably what this is for, to keep the cost of shipping down. And pretty sturdy, get those out of the way, nice sturdy cardboard box here. Not sure I don't know what weight of cardboard, but it looks to be not a heavyweight cardboard, but a cardboard that's thick enough to do the job and protect what's inside. And yeah, I know these are gifts, but we'll get a look at them anyhow. What do you say? And this one is a C904C Plethorus. That is black with carbon fiber overlay and gray color stainless steel liners in Chinese D2. I have no idea. Am I using a Plethorus to open the Plethorus? That one and the Anthropos I can't ever keep straight. So you guys tell me down in the, just stop right now and tell me down in the comments. All right, so let's get a look at it. Not really what we're here for today, but we will because, you know, I think I did. Go check this out. So this is my Plethorus, and I used it to unbox this Plethorus. Anyhow, guys, that was not on purpose, but that's what's in the box. And, you know, it's the Isham design Plethorus. Really nice. The other box, what was in the other box? We'll get a look at it real quick, too. Let me put all this stuff back in this. And that's actually really nice. If you end up shipping knives or anything, that is quite the box. Now, I actually don't suggest that you ship in one of those. Just ship in a zip case. The zip case is plenty capable of taking care of your... Oh, this is the Anthropos. And this is one in orange. That's a neat color as far as I'm concerned. I like that a lot. So, there you go. That's what was in the boxes. But the more interesting part is that we in Civivi are selling some knives direct on Amazon. And that means you can get it from the manufacturer, you can get it at MAP pricing, and you can look there and see what exactly MAP pricing should be. So even if you do find another seller that you're comfortable with, you can kind of check them out, because the way these things work is if you have a seller that's selling below the price that we in Civivi have on Amazon right now, they are selling below MAP, which is not really supposed to happen. So be careful about those sellers. Usually whenever you end up with those, you end up with a situation where you may not be able to return the knife, or they're fly by night because they're not actual dealers. Anyhow, I just wanted you guys to see, and that was pretty cool that they actually are putting a box inside a box. Not quite as cool as the really good stuff that Tangram does, but Tangram specifically designed that line of knives to be sold on Amazon, so the packaging was designed specifically for Amazon and Amazon shipping. Pretty cool though. I've got to hand it to Kaiser on that and whoever their product package designers are. But on this side of it, we in Civivi are doing you a pretty darn good job giving you this extra big box around the box and still giving you the same experience that you would get if you got it off of one of the regular dealer sites, and you know, with an added bonus of a little bit tougher box if you need it. Anyhow, guys, you have a wonderful day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to get these out to their recipients, and I will see you next time.